Hey guys, Dan here with LED for RV and TRV parts, and I want to share with you a product that we came up with. And before I do, I want to explain to you why we came up with it. As a lot of you may know, these particular lenses right here are no longer available. Anyway, I do not want to part with these. so, but that's a real problem if you've got one of these older legacy type units and you can't get these lenses. And they were on a lot of the older Airstreams, Winnebago, medium duty trucks by Chevrolet, FMC motorhomes, and that type of thing. And so anyway, what we came up with is a light where you don't need the lens. And so, as you can see, it's very tight, and it's actually glued. You probably see a little bit of a shine right there on these. A little better right there because that's a red one. It's the very same hole pattern. They fit right into the same casing, the same hole, and of course you can see the pigtails there. So anyway, thanks for taking time to watch our video. If you're wanting to upgrade to LEDs and you don't have lenses, we have the fix. Thank you for taking time to watch our video.